The question for today is, the next question in fact, is to check a date is valid or not. Okay, थोड़ा सा मुश्किल क्वेश्चन है इस. हाँ बोलिए
सर. जैसा ये कई PDF देख सकते हैं आप फिर से, क्योंकि अभी आपने उसमें
yes I'll send. Don't worry. Drop me a message. I'll send during the evening time. Drop me a message. What do you want? I'll share. Okay, so the question is, write a program to input a date and check it is valid or not. Okay, now if I talk about date means days, month or year. So we have three variables: date, month, year. Now what is the validity of year? How can we say year is valid? So it has to be positive, right? It has to be positive. So we are considering that year has to be positive. It should be greater than 0. Now what is the validity of month? Month is valid if it is between 1 and 12. So how many conditions we have prepared? 1, 2, 3 conditions. What is the validity of date? It has to start from 1. अब ये कहाँ तक होना चाहिए? 29, 30, 31 और 28, राइट? सो ये कहाँ तक होना चाहिए, ये हमें देखना है. ऑलराइट, एक मिनट बच्चों ज़रा होल्ड करो. Okay, so I was asking that what is the validity of date. So date has to start with 1, and sometimes it can be 31, sometimes it can be 30, sometimes it can be 29, sometimes it can be 28. Alright, so it depends. So total number of conditions for this particular question are 5. There are 2 conditions for date, 2 conditions for months, and 1 condition for year. Now what is the thing that we have to check? So what am I doing? I am saying here I am leaving some space, and here I am writing a condition. If month, से डबल एम लिया हुआ है, मान लीजिए मंथ का नाम मैंने, इज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 1 एंड मंथ लेस देन इक्वल टू 12 एंड ईयर ग्रेटर देन 0 एंड डी ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 1 एंड डी डी इज लेस देन इक्वल टू वॉट. नाउ ये मेरा कंडीशन बना. मैंने क्या करा, यहाँ पे 5 कंडीशंस मैंने लिखी. मंथ शुड बी बिटवीन 1 and 12, ईयर शुड बी ग्रेटर देन 0, डे शुड बी ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 1 एंड डे शुड बी लेस देन वॉट. नाउ हेयर आई कैन नॉट राइट अ कांस्टेंट वैल्यू because sometimes it is 31, sometimes it is 30, 29, 28. So I do not know what to write. So in spite of writing all 4 values, I am writing max. Okay, if all the conditions which I have written here are correct, then we can say print valid, else print invalid. Now this is the condition, because to check whether the date is right or not, we have to check 5 conditions. So I have written all 5 conditions: month between 1 and 12, year greater than 0, d greater than 1, but should be less than max. Now this is the variable which does not have value now, because this value is changing. It's not a fixed value. Now what can be the value of this for a particular month? This additionally we have to find out. अब क्या करेंगे इसके लिए? अब मैंने लिखा यहाँ पर, सबसे पहले मैंने इनको एक्सेप्ट कर लिया, तो क्योंकि अब आप लोग एक्सेप्ट का स्टेटमेंट मुझे लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, आप लोग खुद लिखेंगे. ऑलराइट, नाउ व्हाट आई हैव डन, I have written a condition here. If month equal to 1 or month equal to 3 or month equal,
इसमें सर
बोलिए, बोलो.
सर जैसे हमने वहाँ पे मैक्स लिखा है, तो जैसे हमने सर वहाँ पे मैक्स लिखा है, तो सर मैक्स की वैल्यू इन्फिनिटी तक होगी क्या?
Infinity?
21 तक ही होगी.
Do we have infinitive days? Do we have infinitive
sir.
days? Just wait, have patience.
नो नो
I am explaining, don't worry, wait for a while.
सर वो नहीं होता, जैसे वहाँ पे हमने मैक्स लिखा है ना, तो
Can you see that I am writing few values of max?
यस सर. सो वहाँ पे हमें लिखनी पड़ेगी ना इसमें भी, सेम में.
Better wait for a while. I'm explaining it. I'll explain this. Then you can ask questions. Right? Wait for a while. Okay, now I'm not explaining that what I have written, I'm taking directly an example. Madhu, tell me a date that you want to check it is valid or not. So choice is yours. If you want to give me a valid date, your choice. If you want to give me an invalid date, your choice. DD, MM, YY. Yes, tell me. What date you want?
जैसे हमने वहाँ पे
Tell me a date that you want to check whether it is right or not.
सर डेट आई वांट इज
32 month.
यस सर.
What month?